Hey guys, how to buy more storage on Android. So go ahead to the settings and make sure to pin down storage, right? Or you can find it right in front of you in the settings. Depends really on your device. So after you pin down your storage, right, you can see how much you consume and how much basically get how much how much basically your phone is consumed by these apps. So if you try to give it some space or try to decrease the amount of storage on your phone, you can just go ahead and delete the unnecessary apps. However, if you have a lot of information or if you have a lot of data and apps that you might need, right, for future endeavors, what you're gonna do, you can go ahead and try to pin down the backup, right, on your Android, right, or you could just try to look it up at the top, right, like backup, and then go ahead and see how much you consume or how much space on your phone. And then under the backup you can see like a subscription, right? In my case, for example, I'm gonna go ahead to my name right here and go to my iCloud, and then I can just go ahead and subscribe or upgrade for a plan, right? In your case, you could go ahead to the backup and you're gonna see a Google option that allows you to buy more backup with, of course, a membership plan, right, within the Google ecosystem. So after you decide which plan you want to proceed with, go and buy this plan, and now you can protect or basically give more space to your other apps. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.